If you want to save an Evernote note as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to export your Evernote note as a PDF file, so you can keep a copy on your device, share it easily, or print it whenever you need. This is a really useful workflow if you want to archive important notes, send a clean version to someone else, or simply keep backups of your work outside of Evernote. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Evernote and go to the note you want to save. Make sure you have the exact note open, because the export option works from within the note itself. Once the note is on your screen, look up to the top right corner of the note window. You should see the More Actions button, which usually appears as 3 dots. Click that button to open the menu of extra options for your note. In that menu, look for the option that says Export as PDF and select it. This tells Evernote that you want to turn this note into a PDF format instead of keeping it only inside the app. After you click that, your computer's print preview window should open. This is where the PDF saving process really happens. In the print preview, look for the setting called Destination or Printer, depending on your device and browser. Click that setting and change it to Save as PDF. This is the key step that converts the note into a PDF file. Before you save, take a moment to go through the settings in the preview window. You may see options like page orientation, paper size, margins, and layout. Adjust these if needed so your PDF looks the way you want it to look. If your note is long or contains images, checking these settings can help make sure everything displays properly in the final file. Once you're happy with the preview, click Save. Your computer will then ask you where you want to store the file. Choose the folder or location you want, give the file a name if needed, and then click Save again to confirm. And that's it. Your Evernote note has now been saved as a PDF. You can open it anytime, from your computer, upload it somewhere, email it, or print it whenever you need a hard copy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.